This vehicle's powered tailgate and inner tailgate incorporates gesture-based technology, which allows automatic opening or closing of the powered tailgate and inner tailgate. For this feature to operate, you will need to have your smart key on you, or locate the key within 1.2 meters of the vehicle's rear area. The sensors are located at the vehicle's sides behind the bumper's surface. Be careful not to touch the exhaust during the process, as it may be hot. As you approach the sides of your vehicle rear, check that the surrounding area is clear of any obstructions and that your standing area is not unstable or slippery. When safe to do so, perform a smooth kick and return motion in the sensor zone. When the sensors recognize the kick gesture, the tailgate automatically opens, followed by the inner tailgate. If the kick gesture is not recognized, confirm key location, adjust your positioning, and perform the kick gesture again. To close the tailgate and inner tailgate, repeat the kick gesture, and the tailgates will automatically close. For further information about this feature, or any other feature, please refer to your owner's handbook. For help or assistance, please contact your Jaguar Land Rover retailer, who will be more than happy to assist you.